One more activity you will do today is making a cardboard guitar. You should have 2 pieces of cardboard, 2 smaller pieces of cardboard, and 2 longer pieces of cardboard. First, we are going to make it into a box. We have a lot of different colors of fun duct tape that you can use. I'm going to use this blue one. Take a piece, put it halfway on your piece of cardboard. Take the smaller piece, line it up like this, and tape it on the other half, so it can fold like this. Then you want to take the bottom and attach it so that it goes like this. Now your piece of cardboard should look like this. We're going to attach the other small piece on the other side in the same way. Now your piece of cardboard would look like this. We take the 2 long pieces and put them on the long sides of the cardboard. I taped this on the same way I taped these on. So now I only have one more side left. Now you should have a box with a hole in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it's okay. The next thing that we're going to do is make the handle of the guitar. You can take any piece of construction paper, and what you want to do is roll it into a tube. Once you roll it into a tube, you can glue it or duct tape it so it stays in this position. Now that my handle is done, we're going to attach it to the top of the guitar. To do that, you want to cut strips up from the bottom like this. Once you have strips, fold them upwards. Now it should look like this. To attach it to the cardboard, lay it down, and you can tape or glue these pieces of paper to the sides of the guitar. Now that I have my handle, we're going to make the strings of the guitar. Before we do that, you want to grab 4 different popsicle sticks. We're going to stack 2 on top of each other and glue them together. You don't need too much glue, only a little bit, and then put them together. Now do that with the other 2 as well. While we wait for those to dry, you want to pick out 4 different rubber bands. Preferably, pick ones that are all different sizes. This will give you different sounds. Now you want to take your popsicle sticks and put them on each end of the guitar, like this. Once you have those taped or glued on there, the last step is to put your strings on the guitar. Take the rubber band, put it on the top, and you want to stretch it over the whole box. When you stretch it over, you want to move it so that it's over the hole, like this. Now put the rest of your rubber bands on as well. Once you placed your 4 strings, you have a guitar. I challenge you to make yours look better than mine and be more creative. We have more than just duct tape. We have tons of cardstock that you can glue onto the cardboard. We also have lots of different kinds of duct tape and some other fun things like markers, pom-poms, and pipe cleaners. Try to make yours look creative and have fun.